Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be backtesting GOP USD 2022. Alright, let's see how this market plays out. Alright, so firstly, whenever you're analyzing the market, what you want to do is you want to go to the 4 hour time frame. You go to the 4 hour time frame. If you're a day trader like me, you go to the 4 hour time frame and then you analyze the market. Then you go to the lower time frame, which is the 15, 35 minutes, to look for your entries. Alright, that's more called like top down analysis. So you go to the higher time frame, you do your analysis. When the market is in your zone, you go to the lower time frame to execute. So let's go. So I'm going to the 4 hour time frame now. So now I've placed on the charts now on the 4 hour time frame. Now what's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do in this case? Now the first thing you want to do, you want to know the trend of the market. So what's the trend of the market here? It's clear. The trend of this market is an uptrend. Why is it an uptrend? Basically, if you look closely, you can see over here we have this lower high, we have this higher high, we have this lower high, we have this higher high, we have this lower high, we have this higher high. It's clearly an uptrend. So what you want to do in an uptrend, you want to look for the recent two lower highs or higher lows. Alright, so these are the two recent higher lows. So you draw your trend line. Between these 2 points. Then you draw your horizontal read. So the market, when the market gets to this zone, it likely bounce up. Alright, or this zone likely bounce up. If it doesn't bounce up between those two zones, pretty much the trend is going to change also. So let's see how it goes. So we're looking to enter the market around here or here. So the market is in our trend line now. Let's see. Okay, so now the market has touched our first zone. So what you want to do, like I said earlier, when the market is in your zone, you want to go to the lower time frame to execute your strategy. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. So this is the 15 minute now. Okay. Wow. My God. I mean, let's see how it plays out. Basically, would I enter the market here? We would enter the market because clearly I was waiting for, once it touched this my zone, I'll form the double button. I was clearly enter the market. So basically, let me draw my risk to reward. Probably it's my stop loss with the way it's looking. I don't know. I'll just draw it anyways. Alright, so if this is a real market condition, I would enter this trade over here. Let me. Okay, now why did I enter this trade over here? It goes back to our zone. You can see clearly if you look at the 4 hour time frame here. This is a zone the market always pushed up. When it goes to this zone, it pushed up. It came back to this zone over here. It pushed up. Now it has come back to the same zone, right? The market leave close basically, and these are the clues. When it goes to this point, it went higher. When it came back to this point, it went up again. So basically, anytime it comes to this zone, we're looking at, okay, this is what the market did before. Probably this is what we do again. Alright, this is just how this strategy works. So basically, it's got back to this my zone. I've gone to the 15 minutes now to look for my confirmation, which is this clear double button over here. But I don't know what the market is doing. Basically, if it hits my stop loss, stop trading. The strategy does not work all the time. That's why it's just consistency, right? Consistency. It doesn't work today, will come again tomorrow. Same strategy, same risk to reward and everything. Not same risk to reward, rather, but same strategy, same just same strategy now. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. Wow. is crazy right now. Okay. Okay, basically you can see what happened this place here, right? So basically we enter the market here, and this is where the market is at right now. So where will we be looking to come out of this market now? Or you, the only reason that should make you come out of the market is because basically I don't know if all traders will agree with this, but I feel I don't use the risk to reward. Alright, I leave my profits to run. Whenever I'm trading prop firm accounts or live trading, I leave my profits to run. Alright, I want to see how far it can get, and that's how I trade. I don't know if all traders will agree. Everybody has what they believe and what works for them, and me, I believe you should leave your profits to run, and you should only come out of the market when you see a reason to do so. All right, so basically what are my reasons to come out of a market? All right, if I see a very long week, let's say the market has been going high now. If I see a very long week before the candle forms, then let's say it forms a very long week and it's still a green candle that forms, I'll still be chill in the market. But if after that long week a red candle forms and closes, I'll come out of the market. All right. Then second reason that can make me come out of the market is if price correction forms in the high time frame. What price correction? The M pattern, the double head and shoulder pattern, and so on. All right. So now I would still be in this market probably because I've not gotten any reason to come out of this market yet. Let's see. So whenever you are in the market, whenever you are trading, you have to be constantly analyzing the market as it goes. Alright, as the market keeps on going, you want to keep on analyzing the market. Alright, so you can know when to come out of the market, when to adjust your stop loss to break even, when to move it to an area you feel the market won't get to. You understand? That's just clearly how you trade. And let's see. Okay, so you know, let's say I'll move my stop loss to this point, but I feel the market won't get back to this point anymore. So I'll move my stop loss from here to this point if I'm trading a real life account. So let's see from here how it pushes, how it goes. Okay. And stop loss it. Alright, so basically this is where I'll come out of the market. Let's see if 15. Okay, the market didn't really give me any reason to come out. Right now I'm looking for a reason that would have made me to probably come out of this market when I'm trading live. So probably. So basically that's just how you trade. Whenever you're trading, whenever you are in the market and you are in profits, all right, you want to keep on analyzing market forward and forward and forward. All right, so you know where to take your when to move your stop loss to break even, and probably to to secure your profits, to lock in profits and all. You understand? Yeah. So basically that's it. I know most traders won't agree with this strategy. All right, because just imagine, okay, this is what the market did. We caught this trend around this point over here, and this is how it played out, and this is only what you caught. Just imagine. But in the long run, this is actually the best way to trade. All right, this is the best way to trade. I feel so. I don't know if, like I said, this is what works for you and this is what works for me. I leave my profits to run. All right, I only come out of the market when I see a reason to do so. All right, so that's basically it. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Alright, so see you in the next.